My name is Aiden, and this is my arc length project. So the path I chose is around a local park in Tenafly. This isn't the entire park, but it is. It's along a pathway that I'm at most often when I'm in town or when I'm working a shift for the ambulance. So I took around 10 points with this path, and in order to measure it, I drew sort of axis lines that could be placeholders and saw that I had three straight lines in the path. So I measured those with the ruler tool, getting 300 feet, 290 feet, and 210 feet. And then the last portion of the path I noticed had that sort of parabolic curve. So I thought of using a sort of quadratic function to measure that. So for that curved line, I used the point all the way on the right at the bottom to be my origin. And I chose this to be the origin because I felt it was the easiest point for me to see with that sort of like kink in the line. So I chose that as the origin. And then I had the local max as well. So, and then I chose the minimum of the graph to be that point all the way on the left because it was sort of in line with the origin, so it fit the quadratic. And then the two other points I found were just things I were able to see with um, sort of elbows in the line that I drew. Um, so inserting those points into the graphing software, it gave me this line of best fit. So after I received the line, derived it, and then put that into the arc length formula. And then the bounds of the definite integral were my minimum and maximum x value. So after calculating that, I got 135 and a half feet roughly. And then I stopped after three decimals. So the complete length that I found was the length of the curved section, which was the 135 feet plus the three straight lines that I measured. So the 300 plus 290 plus 210. And then I got around 935 feet, which is somewhat close to the given length of what Google Maps calculated the entire pathway to be, the 1,312 feet. But it is a little off. And I think that's because I maybe should have used more points on the quadratic to get a more accurate line of best fit. And that likely is where like I lost a little bit of length for the path. But yeah, that's my project.